Here. This is a check of 5 million naira. I want you to take this, get out of my house and out of my life. Do you understand?
You can't buy me. We had an agreement.
What stupid agreement? What do you mean by that? I am offering you something you never gave me, and you still have the nerves to talk about agreement. What stupid agreement are you talking about?
Rosie, if I should go down, then you will go down with me.
Oh.
As an accomplice.
Oh, really?
Do you understand? If I can't have you, no one will.
Haven't you lost your mind already?
Know who you they relate with. Oh. Only God knows who be who for this world. Oh. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.